Greetings. My name is Randy Schaefer. I'm the president of Earth Computer Technologies. For over 30 years, we've been developing LCD products, including touchscreens, monitors, and smart LCDs. Our mission is to help our customers put touchscreens in their products. Our smart LCD family for embedded systems is the ezLCD. Our goal with this product is to provide a complete solution with easy-to-use programming tools. We have a track history of also providing continuous production for 10 to 20 years, so you can count on ezLCD for the long run. I'm here to tell you about our next generation ezLCD-5X series. The first product being the ezLCD-5035, a 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen powered by a 480 MHz STU Micro STM32H757 microcontroller. This is a product that can be easily programmed in days with an application for embedded systems. It includes a touchscreen, a Visual Studio plugin for editing Lua code. It also includes many functions into Lua for data acquisition, testing, monitoring, and control. The I/O interfaces include I2C, SPI, CAN bus, Modbus, and even a rotary encoder. This is a modular embedded system that can get you from concept to completed product faster than any other way. Now I'll send it over to Augie for the tutorial.
Hello and welcome to Getting Started with the ezLCD-5035-RT. Today we're going to show you how to set up your ezLCD. After this video, you should be able to run any of these scripts and even program your own in Lua. The process is quite simple, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is plug in our ezLCD into our computer using the USB. Once it's plugged in, we should see a drive folder with all the files on the ezLCD. So the first thing we need to do is go to download Notepad++. This link and all the other links are going to be in the description below. So we'll download the newest version. We'll look for which version of Windows we have, and we'll download the installer. We'll run it, and we'll click through. I already have it installed, so go to the next step. Now that we have Notepad++ downloaded and installed, we can go ahead and open it. With it open, we can go over here to Plugins, top right, click Open Plugins folder. We're going to right-click and make a new folder. We'll call it ezLCD Lua. Then we can go to the root folder for our ezLCD. Scroll down. And then there should be a Notepad++ plugin folder. We'll open that. And this is the file that we want, ezLCD-lua.dll. We'll copy that. And we'll go back to the plugins folder and we'll paste it into that new folder we just created. Then we need to close Notepad and reopen it. And when it's reopened, ezLCD Lua should be under the plugins tab. Now that we have that, we can go to the plugins, ezLCD Lua, then click edit config file. Now what we need to do is open a new program called Device Manager. Okay. Open that, and we will scroll down where it says ports, and this USB serial device, it should say COM and then a number. That number is what we need to put in here. So right now it says COM6 and my port says COM6 as well, so we're good to go. Now we can go to plugins, ezLCD Lua, and click show console. We can type our scripts and run our scripts straight from here. So this code is just going to make the screen red. Before we can run this, what we need to do is we need to go to our root folder for our 5035. So we'll see this file called autoexec.lua. So what this is This is the program that runs when you plug in or start up your ezLCD. So to stop it from doing that on startup, what you can do is you can either delete it or you can just rename it. So you rename it anyway, so I'll rename it to AutoExec1. In the same way, if you wanted one of your programs to run on startup in your ezLCD, you could just rename it to AutoExec and then put it in the root folder and it would run on startup. Now that we've done that, this will run on our ezLCD. We can also run Lua Files in Notepad++ by going to File, Open, and then navigating to our ezLCD, and then going down to Lua. And these are all the programs and scripts that come with your ezLCD. So click on one blink and it should load up, and you can press Control E and it should run on your 5035. Now we're going to install the ezLCD utility program. To do that, we're going to need to go to our root folder. And in that root folder, we should have a folder called ezLCD utility. Click on that, and then there should be a setup file. You'll run that, and then you'll install the ezLCD utility from there. Okay. Once it's installed, you'll open it, click LCD selection, and we have the 5035-RT in front of us, so we'll click on that. Click Apply Settings. Okay, then we'll go up here to Display Test. We'll go in the center and click Scan Ports, and this port should be the same that we saw earlier in Device Manager. Click Open. Now we can go to Lua. And here we can run scripts from the SD card on our 5035. But first, we need to close Notepad++ if it's open, as well as if you have any scripts that are running currently on your ezLCD, you need to restart your device. Okay. Here we can type in Lua/hello.lua and then click Run. This is going to run a Hello World program on your ezLCD. You can also write and run Lua scripts from this window here underneath. After you've written your code, you can click Run Lua. For the final portion of this video, we're going to show you how to update your ezLCD-5035. So we'll have to navigate to our GitHub, which has all the updates for all of our products. So here we have the repository for 5035. We'll click on the green button. We'll download the zip. Okay. Go to our desktop and we'll create a new folder. Call it ezLCD-5035. Okay. We'll open the folder that we just downloaded and we'll put it in there. Now our files are in that folder. Okay, we'll go to the utility program that we downloaded earlier. We'll select our LCD, 5035-RT, apply settings. We'll go over to update firmware and we'll click open. So now we'll go to that folder that we made. Here we go, ezLCD-5035. And then we'll go down to firmware. This .dfu folder is what we want. Click open. Once we've opened that file, we can move to our ezLCD itself. So all we'll need to do is hold the boot button and then press the reset button. The screen should go black to signify it's ready. Then we can click update and then it'll take a moment and then our ezLCD-5035 will be up to date with the newest programs.
I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch it. For over 30 years, the ezLCD team has helped scores of engineers design great touchscreen products for many applications, including instrumentation, medical devices, and industrial controls. Our joy is making your product a success and providing you a quality made in America LCD solution for the long run. Yes, we can still make the ezLCD 001 20 years later. You can click on the chat icon on our website for your immediate questions, or email or call to set up an online meeting for our team.